Welcome to my channel, His Story. Today, I will tell you about a story helping others. Let's start. A bird named Chirpy lived on the tree in a nest. She was very kind and helpful. One day, she was making another nest. Her friend Simi asked her, "You already have your nest. Then why are you making one more?" Chirpy replied, "Oh, Simi, my friend, I want to help you as your wings are hurt and you are not able to fly properly. I want to bring you near my nest to care for you." Chirpy had many friends like Titu, the monkey, and Minky, the squirrel. They also wanted to help Simi. Titu said that he would bring food for Simi. Minky promised to clean the nest. So she decided to shift to the new nest. One day it rained heavily. All the friends gathered around the nest. Titu held two big banana leaves to protect them from the rain. Simi was happy to get so many helpful friends. Thank you.